friends, welcome back to Prep and Purpose. Today I went to the grocery store to buy lemons and I came out with all of this. So I want to tell you the difference between what I did and what I used to do. I used to buy things that are marked down because they said they were a deal. Not anymore. I use Price Tracker. So what I got today was chorizo. It was marked down to $2.57. I bought 4 of those. We will make chorizo burritos, things like that for breakfast, even quesadillas. We bought 4 1-pound packages of ground beef at $4.79. No, it's not as good as the deal that I bought before for the ground beef at $3.09, but it still was underpriced, and I knew that because I used Price Tracker. Still a good deal. It said buy. Then I got seasoned ground beef. Normally I don't buy anything seasoned because it already determines the direction. However, I know that we will use this because we love tacos and things of that nature. I will put it in Meal Builder once we build the base, once we cook it, and Meal Builder will tell me what to use it for. So I'm okay there. I bought 2 of those at $4.79. Now what you see here again is the pork butt. The Boston pork butt was at $2.59 originally, and again, it was on sale this time for 99 cents a pound, but the limit was 2. I already knew it was a good deal because I bought it before, so I jumped on it. Okay, so the total before tax was $64.46. The savings was $31.46. Let me ask you something. When you go to the store, do you automatically assume because it has this tag here that's marked down or manager special that it's a great deal? Yeah, me too. I used to do that, but now I know better. Price Tracker is available for you absolutely free, and I'll put it in the description. Okay, so now we're not going to stop there. We are going to cook the bases, and then we're going to put it in Meal Builder, and Meal Builder will finally tell us what we can make out of it. So we do not just put them away. We have a plan. We're going to execute the plan right now. Let's get started. I'm going to start this maintenance day off by getting the ground beef on the Blackstone. You don't have to have a Blackstone to implement the system. I just happen to have one. It makes things a lot easier. And my house is super hot, so I didn't want to cook inside of it. Back in the day, I used to buy ground beef, even if it was on manager special, and I used to just throw it right in the freezer with no plan. And then I would forget that we have it, or it's just already frozen and it wasn't usable to me the day that I needed it. So if you find marked down items in your butcher aisle or your meat aisle, make sure that you're not throwing it straight into the freezer. You have already planned a maintenance day. Make sure it's already thawed and ready to go so you can cook it on maintenance day. And then, if you've already downloaded Meal Builder Pro, put it in Meal Builder Pro for layer 1, your inventory, build a meal, and then you have a plan for it. Next up is the seasoned ground beef. It smells so good. We're going to get it on. It's going to ground really fast, and it'll be off in just a second. If I did not have a Blackstone, guys, I would throw my ground beef in the oven and let it cook. Break the chorizo up. Now I waited last for the chorizo because I'm going to need all the grease and all the oil that I can get because I'm going to put eggs in here. And because I'm doing a high protein diet for myself and my family, we are going to add 48 eggs. That's 12 eggs per pound for these burritos that we are going to make. That's looking pretty doggone good. I still see a little heat, but I'm going to let it cook all the way through, guys. But I'm going to warm the kale on the side. It'll take just a second for that kale to cook down some. Just in case you were wondering, if you're new here, proteins, which are bases, they carry the meal, are bagged in 1.5 pound bags, which is, I bag them in quart bags if I'm using Ziploc. I bag my vegetables or my beans, which are support. Anything that helps bulk up the meal goes into a quart bag, but it's bagged in 3 cups. Once I get it to stop running, I will add more egg. Another big purchase that I made that I absolutely love and don't regret is the Harvest Right freeze dryer. Absolutely love it. The Blackstone is precious to me because, yes, I got it at Walmart on sale for $100 because they were remodeling and they were trying to get rid of the Blackstone so they can make space for what was new. I was like, oh yeah, I thought I'd never see that deal again, but I saw it one more time recently, because like this last year. Recently I saw it one more time at a Walmart for $100, and at that time they were selling both the 28-inch and the 36-inch for $100. What a deal. These things are expensive. You can go sometimes catch them on Facebook Marketplace. Friends, we have cooked every single thing. We have the pork butt in the freezer. I've already showed you this. I will link the video that will show you how to make the sausage out of the pork butt, because I'm going to make Italian sausage out of that once it comes out of the freezer, but I felt like it was a little repetitive to do that right now. But I have the chorizo all bagged up. It will become burritos. I just didn't want to do that right now. However, they freeze beautifully. You can eat this right out of the package and make little bowls if you chose to. I have ground beef, and I got 1.5 pounds here, and a half pound, so a total of 2 pounds out of that ground beef. And I marked this 1/2 pound so I know exactly what it is, so when I get more ground beef, it'll just pair well. I got taco meat, ground taco meat, and of all that taco meat, I got 1.5 pounds of meat here. So there is shrinkage. Shrinkage is real. So I hope that you try the price tracker, absolutely free, links in the description. It'll help you track prices, even shrinkflation, and it'll help you save money. If you have not yet tried the 7-day free trial for Meal Builder, I encourage you to do that too. Get your inventory done. Know exactly what you have in your house. Then let it build your meals, because it's going to help you reduce decisions. Also, just remember guys that if you find markdown prices, it is only a deal if you use it, if you cook it, if you consume it. Otherwise, it just becomes trash later because you leave it in your freezer, you forget about it, or it gets frostbite. Reduce decisions, install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.